Welcome to English class. This English class is about continents and English-speaking countries. Continents, det betyder verdensdele, kontinenter. English-speaking countries betyder engelsktalende lande. These are the continents: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. These are English-speaking countries: Australia, India, African countries, South Africa, United States of America, Canada. United Kingdom, Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America, Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America. Here is a boy from Ireland. He says, "Hi, I'm Irish." Here is a man from United Kingdom. He says, "Hi, I'm English." Here is a boy from Australia. He says, "Hello, I'm Australian." Here is a boy from New Zealand. He says, "Hi, I'm New Zealander." Here is a boy from South Africa. He says, "Hi, I'm from South Africa." Here is a boy from Guyana. He says, "Hi, I'm from Guyana." Here is a boy from Canada. He says, "Hi, I'm Canadian." Here is a boy from the United States of America. He says, "Hello, I'm American." Here is a woman from Haiti. She says, "Hello, I'm from Haiti."
Bye for now. See you next time.